And welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of crude can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what you have seen that crude is trading at a level of $77 now. Okay, from 2 days it is continuously moving upside, but overall trend you can say there is a continuous downfall. You have to understand, always try to follow a price action strategy. Okay, there are a lot of strategies, but price action works more better, I feel, because there is, see, if you look at overall trend is downside. So if the price goes up also, then you should keep your SL, and then the SL will save your capital, and if you are on the right direction, you can make good profit. Okay, now it has moved above a level of 77, which was a strong support. Now it is being a resistance, so now this will act as a support because the price has already moved upside. So if the price keeps sustaining of 77, a further upside movement we can see, but if the price keep going below that level, a further fall we can see towards 75, then to a level of 74, and a probability of touching 68 is there. If the price keep moving below 68, a further fall we can see. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, chances are very high that it will sustain because it is already at a strong resistance which is already being crossed. So chances are high if the price sustain, we can see it can touch a level of around $77.5. If the price move up that level, we can see it will touch a level of around $79. Once the price started going up that level, a further upside we can see, and a probability of touching a level of 83 we can see, and then a probability of touching a level of 85.78 is there, which is already being a strong support. Okay, now it will act as a support, which is already being a strong resistance. So chances will be high that once the price started going above that level, this will act as a support, and a further upside movement we can see. Again I repeat, suppose if the price keeps sustaining this level, chances are high it will touch a level of around $79, and from there to a level of around 81.45, then a probability of crossing a level of 83 we can see, and from there it will cross a level of around 85.78. 85.78 is the high of this particular zone, so chances of going further upside we can see. Once the price started going above 85, a further high we can see, and then a probability of crossing a level of 89.53 we can see, and once started going above that level, a further upside and a probability of going further high we can see. Now remember, as you know that market is uncertain. Okay, if you are thinking that a market will move as per you, no, it will not. See, some news can come and go, but what you have to rely on, see, the news effect can be faster compared to what you are thinking. So what you have to do is you have to understand the price action. Okay, if you are in the right direction, probability of winning is on a higher side. Okay, see, there's a downtrend continuously. If a trend breaks, then upside we can see, but if the trend didn't break and then see, there is a trend. So now if a trend break upside, that then a probability of touching a level of 79 we can see, and a further upside towards 83 also we can see. But if the trend didn't break and it moves again, then a probability of following this trend will be on a higher side, on a bearish way. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of around $75.4. If the price fall below that particular level, chances of going further fall we can see towards a level of $72.92. Okay, and this $72.92 is already being a weak support, so chances are higher we can see it will fall further down towards $70.85, and if it moves below this particular zone, chances of touching a level of 69.75 is there. Okay, and once started going below 69.75, we can see it will go towards a level of $68. This $68 is a strong support, so if it started going below that particular zone, we will see it can touch a level of around $66.54, and from there a probability of going towards a level of around $64 we can see. Okay, so once the price started moving below 64, a further fall we can see. Okay, so you have to understand that if the price start breaking a level of 83, a further upside we can see, and then it can touch a level of $85. Okay, but if the price started moving below again, below a level of around 68, then a probability of touching a level of 65 also we can see, and then to a level of 63, and then further low. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.